Alright, so here's where we're at. I pulled the crankset. The crankset was hitting my torque converter guard right here. It is an extended one, so screwed. Anyways, I did not want to push the motor that way. It would screw up the exhaust alignment, chain alignment, all sorts of fun stuff. So, we're going to leave everything as is, and we're going to extend the extended crank. So, here's the gameplay. Alright, so here was the crank that was in it originally. And what I did is I cut this section off, which is basically this section. I cut a pin on it, sort of like how this is, a 1/4 inch. I cut this flat, drilled a 1/4 inch hole in, about 3/8 pin, then beveled the two sides for welding purposes. So here's where we're at. So anyways, as you can see, I got about another 2 1/4 inches extension on this from what it used to be. So it should be enough to clear this without hitting it. So anyways, we'll get this welded up and let's see how it goes. Alright, so we have this all welded up now. We're going to grind it all down. Well, I'm going to cut it on the metal lathe first and then grind it all on the belt sander. Alright. Alright, so I took a few fast passes just to knock down the bulk here. And now we're going to grind this all down nice and smooth with a belt sander. Alright, so I have the extended crank done. It's powder coated. All mounted up. You can see I got 2 inches of space on this side. And 2 inches of space on that side. All in all, it looks nice and even though it's extended. So, not too shabby. But anyways, that is 6-inch extension on that side. And it is 4 inches on that side.